been short $700. So I look at the cameras. I got 3 videos, 1 night shift.
But yeah, you can see it on the footage where she's pretty much leaned over, I think as a sign from the camera, just pulling rows of them out. Can you explain that? You know why you took it?
Because I've been paying money and I didn't want to take money out of the register.
Gotcha.
On May 7th, 2025, a Florida officer responded to a convenience store call about missing scratch-off lottery tickets. A $50 difference decided whether this became a felony or a misdemeanor.
How you doing, bud?
How's it going? What's going on?
All right. The girl, she was working night shift. She came in the 5th.
Where is she now?
Huh?
Where's she now?
No, she's not. No. She that was night shift. We catch it today. It's been short $700. So I look at the cameras. I got 3 videos, 1 night shift. Okay. All right. And she came in today at work at 2 o'clock. But she's in there. So I want to show you the videos.
Okay.
From here. Okay. First, that was a video. She was acting. Okay. Basically, right now she's having her hand by the scratch off, pulling the scratch off. Okay. She took 1 from this video. Then she's gonna sit down. When you sit down, she's gonna put it in her leg, between her leg, and you're gonna see she's having it now by her leg, right?
Okay.
When she sit down, you're gonna see it. She's just gonna put it in the shirt. I don't want you to go inside and she will run away. You know what I'm saying? Then I can show you more better on the big screen. But you can tell from here it's moving. It's pulling out tickets.
Yeah.
Then she's gonna cut them off. Then she's gonna go to the orange one, but the orange one is gonna come over and it's gonna come out from the outside too.
Right, so she's here now.
She's here now,
Okay.
yeah. I was
And
waiting for her to show up.
I know these are pretty well tracked, like each one has its own little thing.
Right,
Is there a
right.
way to figure out which ones are missing?
The problem is, she did not write down her number when she ended the shift. So I cannot tell which exactly how the tickets has been stolen. But comparing to the reports, okay, from we open to close, it's $700 short in the scratch off. And she's the only one.
Gotcha.
And you can see, the first one I want to show you was $20 ticket. These is $50 ticket. All right? I write it down in the paper inside.
Okay. But right now she has no idea.
No.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, just give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna check something real quick and then I'll be in there. Yeah, he just got done showing me the footage on his phone. I guess it was last night.
This one, this girl?
No, she's working inside. She has no idea. But yeah, you can see it on the footage where she's pretty much leaned over, I think as a sign from the camera, just pulling rows of them out. And he says they don't have a way of tracking, I guess, which ones it was, but they're $700 short from what should be there.
Okay.
Put your hand down. Now just walk me through what happened again.
Okay, so basically we find this a $700 short, and we're trying to figure out what's wrong because the numbers is something wrong with the scratch off. So I went through the camera.
So it shows you directly that it's scratch off related? Or?
Yes, it's scratch off related. Because money wise, it's fine.
Okay.
So it told me that's the short from the scratch off. So I started looking at the camera with that new girl when she was working night shift, and we find 3 times in one shift she just keep rolling tickets after tickets after tickets, and it's both tickets is $50 a piece. So we're talking about $700.
Gotcha. And at no point she ever paid for it?
No, the boss, he really wanted her to be arrested, and I don't know, when she arrested anyway, she have to pay the fees anyway for it.
No, I gotcha. I just, as far as the statement goes, you know.
Right.
She took the tickets but never paid for it.
Right. Asked me to stay.
Gotcha. Alrighty. Am I good to pull her back there to talk to you?
Yeah, if you want.
We're good. Excuse me. Can we come back here for a second? Alright, so this is in reference to the last time you, this is about the last time you worked.
Okay.
From, I guess, 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., so from the 5th to the 6th.
Yes.
They are $700 short.
What?
It is specifically with scratch-off tickets.
Okay.
They have a camera that sits right over the cashier. All right, that camera very clearly shows you pulling rows all right, of scratch-offs. And they identified it as the Gold Rush million for 50. And there was another one for the 500X, the cast, that was 50. And then another one that was 20. Can you explain that?
Yeah, I took them.
Okay. You know why you took it?
Since I've been needing money and I didn't want to take money out of the register.
Gotcha. Yeah, so you've just been hurting on money and
Yeah.
did something dumb, obviously. All right. Do you know where those scratch-offs are now?
At my house.
They're at your house?
I can get them.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'll pay for them.
Gotcha. How long have you worked here?
A week.
Okay, so you're still pretty new here.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Do you recall exactly how many it was? That was
I
like,
think it was 2 of the 50. The first one. I think it was 2 of each one of the 50 ones and then like 4 of the 20s.
okay. What'd you do? Just put those in your pocket or in your pants or something?
Like I said, because I just got off of drugs. I just lost my boyfriend. I'm trying to get my life together, and I got overwhelmed. I don't want to go.
Go ahead.
And I will pay it back. I really will.
I gotcha. But I mean, yeah, I think you got a job right now. I get that may
I
not
wasn't
pay very
thinking
well.
anything. I know.
but
I wasn't really looking at it like that.
ain't worth doing all that, you know. But I get it. You're in a tough spot, and you did something you shouldn't have. I mean, I get it. I do. Alright. But give me a minute. My sergeant wants me to call. All right. In the meantime, I'll talk to them. All right. But you're going to stand here with her for now, okay?
May I sit down?
Yeah. You can sit down.
I don't know. I lost my boyfriend a month ago to overdosing. I overdosed. I'm just trying to get my life together. And it's just like I should be grateful. I should really have been grateful. I wasn't thinking.
I gotcha. Did you scratch them or?
Yeah.
Okay.
If it helps me, I lost. I mean, I'll pay back the money.
I mean, did you win anything or no?
No. But like I said, I'll pay it back.
Were you working by yourself? Okay. Is there only one person here at night, like that late? That sounds kind of dangerous.
It wasn't really that bad. In fact, I kind of enjoyed it. But,
Oh, really?
I'll pay it back. I mean, I've got $100 in my bank right now. I can give him, like.
Okay, sure. Well, we'll let him talk to the guy and see what they're going to figure out, and we'll go from there, okay?
Is there anybody home?
Huh?
Is there anybody home right now? Would you be able to have them turn over the property?
She's already
I have,
Oh, you already scratched them?
yeah, I've already scheduled. I have one that I bought with them. Like, they're in a big pile.
Gotcha. So they wouldn't know which ones are what.
Right.
Gotcha. Alright.
I'll pay it back.
Unfortunately, that's not my call to make, and they're going to press charges.
Under Florida Statute A12.014, theft up to $749 is Petit theft, a first-degree misdemeanor. At $750, the same conduct becomes grand theft in the third degree, a felony punishable by up to 5 years. The reported loss fell $50 beneath that line, keeping the entire prosecution in misdemeanor territory. The warrantless arrest is authorized only because Florida Statute 901.15 permits it for retail theft. That authority requires a merchant's complaint and independent officer review, both of which are documented on this footage. The closest constitutional question involves the timing of any Miranda warning. Under Miranda versus Arizona, warnings are required only during custodial interrogation. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, questioning conducted in the subject's own workplace is generally non-custodial. Because the admission was voluntary and free of coercion, it is almost certainly admissible in court. However, a Miranda advisement given early would have eliminated even that narrow suppression argument. The search of the suspect's person is authorized as a search incident to lawful arrest under Chimel versus California. Conducting it through a female officer forecloses any foreseeable cross-gender search complaint. The trespass warning issued at the conclusion falls under Florida Statute 810.09. It is administrative in nature, but any future return to the property becomes a separate criminal offense.
Yes.
Can I make a phone call? Can I make a phone call so I can meet him?
You can make a phone call when you get to the jail.
Yeah, they'll get you all set up, right?
Can we not? Can we walk outside? I don't want to see.
I can't take the chance, right? So unfortunately, you are going to have to walk out of here with him. But then forbid you do try to run and the car hits you, and now I'm going to lose my job.
That's to get out of your pocket. Do you have any other property in your purse? Anything like that? Okay, where's that at?
It's over. It's right up there.
Oh, the car's outside? And your purse is in the car? Okay.
You able to just check her real quick?
Yeah, I can. You want to do it here or outside?
Yeah, here's
Anything
fine.
on you that's going to poke me still? I know you went through this, but
Oh, I
I
have
have
my pocket.
That's okay. Oh, no worries.
Yeah, plug and ice fine.
Alright, that's fine. I'm just going to check.
We'll just do it in here. That way, you know, people aren't
A
seeing you
little more
getting
privacy.
Try to help you out where I can, all right?
Did you face that way still? Lock right here.
Oh, that's fine.
I mean, luckily they're only 700, not 750. Otherwise, it'd be a felony. So right now, it's a misdemeanor.
You said you have a knife in your
I said I didn't know if I did.
Oh, okay.
I didn't want
I
you
was like, I
to.
don't feel anything in there.
You able to fill out the victims stuff and give it the Marcy's and all that?
Yeah, I can do all that.
All right, appreciate it.
I've been hitting it the whole time. Why not? You're gonna be pick up one shoe at a time. We'll start with the left.
Brand new. Brand new.
I'm gonna take these off your head too, okay?
Can I have that?
Yeah, they're gonna go with you.
Everything's going with you.
Like
You don't have any AirPods or headphones in your ears.
Just watch your leg here. There we go.
And you do know that if you have anything that you're not
Yeah,
supposed
yeah,
to,
yeah,
it's okay. I just like to let everyone know. Some people hide things in places we can't search.
Trust me. Yeah, I get you.
The responding officer earns a B+ for procedural care and correct statutory classification. The store manager earns an A- for preserving evidence before contacting law enforcement. The suspect earns a C+, reflecting compliant conduct set against undisputed underlying theft. For law enforcement, the takeaway is that an early Miranda warning eliminates the only realistic suppression risk. For private employers, the takeaway is that recorded shift-ending inventory counts are what turns suspicion into prosecutable proof. For anyone facing a police interview, the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent applies before arrest, not only after. Let us know in the comments which interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed next. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.